Starting a biotechnology firm might sound like a wild ride, but it's a journey worth taking. Today, we're discussing how you can make it happen. All right, let's get into it. First things first, you need a solid idea. Biotech is all about innovation, so what's your big breakthrough? Maybe it's a new medical treatment, or perhaps a revolutionary agricultural product. Whatever it is, make sure it addresses a real-world problem. Next up, research. And no, I don't mean just a quick Google search. Dive deep into scientific research and literature. Understand the landscape, the competition, and what people are currently doing. Knowledge is power, especially in biotech. Now, funding. It's a biggie. Biotech ventures can be costly. You might need lab space, equipment, and a team of experts. Look into grants, venture capital, or angel investors. Remember, you need to convince them that your idea isn't just cool, but that it can make money too. Another funding option to consider is government-backed initiatives or collaborations with research institutions. Many governments and academic organizations provide financial support for biotech innovations, especially those addressing critical healthcare or environmental challenges. Partnering with these entities can provide both resources and credibility for your venture. Don't forget about regulations. Biotech is highly regulated, and for a good reason. You want to ensure that all safety standards are met and products are tested thoroughly. It might seem daunting, but it's a necessary step. Instead of navigating the complex regulatory landscape alone, consider reaching out to professionals like those at legalregistration.com to guide you through the process. There's also the team. You can't do this alone. Surround yourself with passionate, knowledgeable people. Whether they're scientists, business experts, or legal advisors, having the right folks on your side can make all the difference. Plan your go-to-market strategy early. Decide whether to license your technology or sell directly to customers. A clear commercialization plan is key to success, and industry mentors can help refine your approach. And finally, have patience and perseverance. Biotech is not a sprint, it's a marathon. There will be ups and downs, but keep your eyes on the prize and stay committed to your vision. There you have it, a quick guide to starting your own biotech firm. If you're excited to explore the world of biotech, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. This video is brought to you by legalregistration.com, the #1 online incorporation service provider, ensuring all your business needs are covered. You can visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 for more information. Until next time, keep dreaming big.